need love. She said, what you know about love? I tell you everything. I got what you need. Woke up in the store and get what you want. Yeah. You get what you please.
Oh, sorry. Hey, who's this guy? Who let this guy in?
He's
got a real funny face. I like your face, guy.
Thank you.
What a cute, funny face. You want a cookie? Can someone get this guy a cookie? Got a very soothing face, and I like looking at it. It's like a Matisse painting.
Whoa.
I'm a kitty. Never really busy. I love catnip, but it makes me frisky. You know my mood is always tricky, but I'm silly. Yeah, I'm a kitty. I'm a puppy. Cute, lovable, cuddly. I enjoy when you rub my tummy. I love treats cause they are so yummy. I'm your buddy. Yeah, I'm a puppy.
Guess what? Fuck you, that's what.
10,000 years of evolution and this pathetic.
Oh yeah? Huh. Well, who's in the cage, bitch? Hey, Gator. Huh. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, get back into that water where you belong. Hey, Bear, I don't want to have to No, it's not over there. Maybe it's, in the ground here? No. I can feel it.
Found a stick on the ground, and now I'm gonna use it. All this power that I found, gonna totally abuse it. And I hit so much stuff, do not get into my way, cause I found a stick, and I'm using it today. I got a stick, got a stick.
Can you get off the counter, please?
I think she's mad. It's okay, I'll handle it. Here's the thing, Mom. We can do whatever the heck we want.
Hey, the name's Ronnie the Owl. I'm just gonna tiptoe over here. Hey, wanna see a cool move? Ooh, what the hell? Where am I? Sharon? Wait.
What did I say, huh? What did I say? I told you no touchy. Now you suffer the bite of the lion and the clenching jaws of an alligator. One second, don't pull the cotton stuck in my teeth.
Alright, Jimmy, I'm gonna get you this time. 1, 2, 3. Fuck you.
What am I supposed to do all day while you're at school?
I don't know. What do you normally do when I'm gone?
Wait for you to get back. Found a stick on the ground, and now I'm gonna use it. All this power that I found, gonna totally abuse it. And I hit so much stuff, do not get into my way, cause I found a stick, and I'm using it today. I got a stick, got a stick.
Hey, who's there? Greg, we talked about this, alright? This is my, no pets, alright? I pay rent here, Greg, you and I both know that. So just, you know what, actually, pets do sound a little nice. Give some little, oh yeah.
I don't know what drugs you took this morning, but this is unacceptable behavior. Do you hear me? Kitten? Do you hear me? Kitten, listen.